Guys, it's wash day, so I usually just wash my hair with this shampoo. It's sulfate free and paraben free, and it's a clarifying shampoo. I'm planning to do an apple cider vinegar soak with lemon juice, apple cider and baking soda and sea salt. I'm trying to soak my hair today because I spotted some buildup in it and I'm trying to get rid of it, so wish me luck and I hope this works. Oh, I usually wash my hair in the shower, but I need the sink today because I need it to soak before I do the hot oil treatment and then wash it all off. I already added everything, but when you add the ingredients, it's going to start fizzing, but that's just the reaction of the baking soda, the lemon juice, and the vinegar. I just eyeball the ingredients, like I don't really measure anything with measuring cups or spoons. Equally use some warm water and then soak your hair in it for like 20 minutes, but I'm going to do 30. I usually do my hot oil treatments with these oils from Tropical Living. You could equally use plain old Jamaican black castor oil or hair trigger. I pre-poo with these too, but I just coat the ends and then the scalp. Pre-poos are different. After applying your oils, put on your shower cap like so. I use two because the first one is kind of loose, and then steam your hair with a steamer if you have one, or just use a towel to wrap around your head for like 30 minutes. You're still going to wash it off, so don't think you're just going to put a lot of oil in your hair and just keep it in there. The sun will run that thing down your face. Nobody wants to be a greasy mess, so wash that thing off. And oil equally builds up in your hair, so don't think it's just oil.
I keep this on for like an hour, but you can do 30 minutes. Don't mind me, I'm excessive. I use castor oil on my edges, on my brows, and on the ends of my hair. Castor oil is pretty thick, so you can saturate your hair with it and just leave it in there. Don't listen to any of those YouTube girls. Listen to me. It's a pretty amazing oil for hot oil treatments though. And pre-poos. It's awesome. Just wash it out afterwards. Don't leave it there. Wash it out. Okay?
My favorite natural oils are jojoba oil, coconut oil, argan oil, and castor oil, Jamaican castor oil. I don't use coconut oil in my hair though because it solidifies, so I use it on my skin and for oil pulling. Natural hair problems. Takes hours to do your hair, like from 7 a.m. till 12 p.m. Oh, you make me dizzy. I'm all done. I think it looks great. I'm just going to let it air dry and then do other things. I hope I was able to get rid of all the buildup. I'm not sure because my hair is still wet. I'll know when it's dry. I'm just going to go where it's nice and sunny and dry my hair. And of course, cook too today. Oh, by the way, after I washed the pre-poo out or the hot oil treatment out, I used a castor oil treatment on my edges. I equally used some argan oil, some peppermint oil from Eden Body Works, and jojoba oil for my scalp.
I love you. I love
not sad, but this filter is just hilarious. And my hair is dried.
I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be. With a great big hug. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
I really love this look, and I'm actually considering getting lashes, and I've never liked them, so thanks Snapchat. I made macaroni again today. I just love this stuff. It's super easy to make, and well, I'm very lazy, so I miss Kim a lot on Snapchat. I love seeing North and then Saint. North is so adorable, and Saint is so cute.
So you guys have to get yourself a satin bonnet, just like mine. I have one in pink, in blue, and in peach, and it's so good. So I get these bonnets from Jamaica. They're a Nigerian company, and they're handmade, and they're very good. So
These bonnets are everything. I have one in every color, and I love them a lot. They're super affordable too.